DocksideGlyn. Route to the Cuerdale Stone, June 2023. Download South Ribble's Heritage Trail. This video covers between points 2 and 3 to point 4, where you turn left, walk along the riverbank, and it's a little further down and you'll find the stone. The Heritage Trail suggests you park in the church car park, but I parked a little closer on Knott Lane. Cross the road and look over the wall and you can see where you're heading. Head towards that steel container. From the steel container, follow the route as described in the Heritage Trail. It passes along several hedgerows, passing through kissing gates and other gates. This is the lane from the road down to the farm. I don't have any video of the route by the farm for reasons of privacy, but you'll know where you are when you see the steel container. This is looking back at the steel containers. This video was taken on the way back, but I'm showing you now so that you know what you've got to do to get through this gate. I was pleasantly surprised to see fishermen enjoying this stretch of the River Ribble, so close to the city. The old styles have recently been replaced by kissing gates. This is one of the old styles, lethal. This is where you need to turn left and deviate from the Heritage Trail. Sometimes the gate is open, but this time the gate was chain closed. This is an aerial view to help you locate the stone. The top of the stone is almost at ground level on this side. I used the 3 bars in the fence you can see in the picture to climb over the barbed wire fence. I've been amazed that something with so much historical significance has been difficult to find and see. But here it is, I found it at last. I hope you do go and see this stone, and this video helps you on your way. I hope to make more videos of Preston's Viking treasure, so why not subscribe to make sure you don't miss out. Thanks for watching.